Choosing the right CNC laser module can be challenging. Weak cutting power, poor precision, overheating issues, and limited compatibility often ruin your engraving experience. That's where high-quality laser modules make a real difference. They deliver stronger cutting performance, sharper engraving details, and better reliability for DIY or professional use. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best CNC laser modules you can buy right now. We researched specs, performance, and user feedback to build this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Number 5. NEJE E40 Laser Module Kit, 80 watt. The NEJE E40 Laser Module Kit is a high-performance option designed for serious engraving and cutting tasks. With its powerful 80-watt output and fixed focal design, it delivers stable and precise laser performance. It works well on materials like wood, leather, and even some metals with proper settings. The module is built with efficient heat dissipation, ensuring longer working sessions without overheating. Its compact design makes it easy to install on most CNC engravers. Ideal for users who want consistent cutting power and reliable results in DIY or semi-professional projects. Number 4. AENBUSLM 40W 80W Blue Laser Module. The AENBUSLM laser module offers strong versatility with both 40W and 80W variants, making it suitable for a wide range of engraving tasks. Using 450 nanometer blue light technology, it provides precise and clean cutting results, especially on wood and acrylic. This module is designed for DIY CNC machines and integrates easily with most setups. Its durable build and efficient cooling system help maintain stable performance over time. Whether you're crafting detailed engravings or cutting materials for projects, this laser head delivers dependable power and accuracy. Number 3. Laser Tree Optical Power Laser Head with Air Assist. The Laser Tree laser head stands out with multiple power options and built-in air assist, which improves cutting quality and reduces burn marks. Operating at 450 nanometers, it produces sharp, detailed engravings and smoother cuts on wood, leather, and plastics. The TTL control support ensures precise power adjustment, giving users better control over different materials. Its solid construction and efficient cooling system make it suitable for long working sessions. This module is perfect for users who want flexibility, cleaner results, and improved performance in their CNC engraving projects. Number 2. Focusable CNC Laser Module Head. This Focusable laser module offers a wide range of power options, from 500 milliwatts up to 15 watts, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists. The adjustable focus allows you to fine-tune the laser for different materials and engraving depths. It's compatible with popular CNC routers like 3018 and 1610, making installation simple and convenient. Despite its compact size, it delivers decent engraving performance on wood, plastic, and soft materials. If you're looking for an affordable, flexible, and easy-to-use laser module for DIY projects, this is a great starting point. Number 1. Laser Tree 10W Optical Power 80W Laser Module. The Laser Tree 10W Optical Power Laser Module is the most powerful and feature-rich option on this list. With an 80W input and true 10W optical output, it delivers strong cutting performance and precise engraving results. The built-in air assist system improves cutting efficiency and reduces smoke marks for cleaner finishes. It also supports TTL control for accurate power management. Designed for CNC laser cutting machines, it's perfect for wood, leather, and more demanding materials. If you want top-tier performance in a compact and reliable module, this is the best choice. If you want powerful cutting, precise engraving, and reliable performance, These CNC laser modules are excellent choices. From beginner-friendly options to high-power professional tools, there's something for every project. Pick the one that fits your needs and start creating amazing designs. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.